going on, and as you can probably tell, we are playing Subway Surfers. So let's just jump into this. I kind of just turned off the music and sound effects. I don't know if it'd be like too weird or what, like just because, you know, a lot of my videos you can't even hear me talking, so yeah. Not a lot of them, but like some of my gaming videos, so. And the word of the day is Asia. So, I recently downloaded this, like, yesterday I did, but I just got it on my tablet, and why did I do that? Oh my gosh. So, what are the goals for today, and how do I check those again? Daily challenge, okay. No, not daily challenge, missions. So, collect 500 coins, 424 left. 1,000 points in one run, that should be kind of easy. Pick up 2 power-ups, okay. So yeah, get these coins. I just wanna roll it. Then jump, train. Got the SI in Asia. Ow, my head. No, don't shake me. Play. Okay, almost got 1,000. And also, in the comments below, if you're watching this, tell me if you want sound effects on. I'm not turning on music because I've gotten a lot of complaints about not being able to hear me. But if I do get at least one comment saying to bring the sound effects on, I will. Oh yeah. Daily challenge, mystery box, yahoo. And I could have signed into Facebook, but I didn't, so yeah. Running in these boots, jump. Collecting all these coins, yeah. Collecting all these coins. No. We are going for a hoverboard now, 'cause, yeah. I don't want to, wow. Da 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 da. Oh, jeez. No. Oh, I didn't have my hoverboard anymore. No. Oh, wait, flip, yeah. Okay, how many coins did we get? Probably not as much. But, oh, 1,000, yay. And I got my high score, so look at this running dude. But, yeah, we're going to do another round. Because I can afford to do multiple since I don't do really long runs since I'm not that good. So we have to collect those lotus flowers. I believe they're lotuses. Collect these coins. No! I underestimated that jump. I'm saving myself, so yeah. And if we come close to death, we're just gonna spam hoverboard. Collect these coins, collect these coins, collect these coins. Oh, jeez. Liar. Oh, no, we wanted this magnet. I just missed the magnet. I didn't get the hoverboard out in time, but new record. Look at this running guy. Da 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 da. No, stop catching up to me. Oh, didn't bring up the hoverboard. Collecting all these coins. Yeah. Oh gosh, we died. I suck. Pop in all these checks. We will get the brand new Rolex once we hit like 50 billion subscribers. But yeah. Yeah, no, I'm never buying a Rolex. Even if I had the money, I wouldn't, because like so much better things you could buy. Oh, we could have got Lotus. No. Sucking tree. Oh, jeez. These chains, though. I double tapped. Okay, I am saving myself. I deserve that save. What just happened? Well, running guy again, because I got another new high score. And now it gives me the hoverboard. What? That makes no sense. Got them high kicks. Got them high kicks. Oh no. What? Save myself. Asian flower thing. Oh, if I could jump onto the train from there, okay. Mystery box, yes. Pop in all these checks. We'll never get that brand new Rolex. Collecting all these coins, yeah. Collecting all these coins, yeah. Collect them coins. No, ow. So I'd get like pretty good runs because like we got one of Tricky's hats. I don't even want Tricky. Like seriously. Got a new high score. It just like gets so fast on me. It's like okay, boosts. What can we get in here? Hoverboard, mystery box, head start, skip mission, jetpack. No, I don't want upgrade. Well, upgrade the 2x multiplier. So when I get the, I can get good scores. But yeah, I don't know what head start does, so I'm not going to bother with that. I don't even have enough coins, so. Upgrade coin magnet so we can upgrade more things in the future. Super sneakers, I love those. Upgrade those. Yeah. And play. Hang on. Take that. Take that. Super pogo stick. Oh no, give me the boots. No. 1 sec, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I just had to check my phone. It was buzzing, so yeah. I might turn sound effects back on, but that's really up to you guys. Do you guys want sound effects back on? Now that does not include the music, Tic Tac Smackoy. Just the sounds like collecting coins. So yeah. If you guys really want, oh my gosh, how dumb do I have to be? Oh my gosh. But yeah, if you guys want sound effects on, so just collecting coins, not the music, because the music makes it so friggin' annoying. So yeah, what the heck? I jumped. What? Oh my gosh. But yeah, if you want sound effects on, comment below. Sound effects on. Also, if you don't know the abbreviation for sound effects, it's SFX. So yeah. Just type in the comments sound effects if you want sound effects back on and turn them back on. Simple as that. Give me these boots! What's the point of those boots if you can't jump on the train? What? Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. I got those boots. I should have been able to jump up. Did I not like have enough time to jump? Like, What the heck? Those boots didn't even work. Roller, roller. I just want to roller, roller. Oh, nope. Don't want to roll there. No! Roll. Oh, a key. I don't know what a key does. Yes, I got a key. I don't know what a key does, but I got... Oh, one of those keys. Oh, okay. There we go. Go on these trains like gear. Hiya. Hiya. Oh yes, 2 times multiplier. I think that like doubles my score. Yes, it does. Yep. And that's for a while. So yes. Pogo stick. Oh, give me the boots. Hiya. Hiya. Now all we have to worry about is overshooting jumps. Oh, I almost undershot that. I just saved myself. Magnet, yes. There's literally no coins around when I use it, okay. Nope. Okay, go on here, jump over here, coins. Oh no! Oh my gosh. New high score! What a good way to end the day. So yeah guys, I'm definitely going to be playing this game again. So if you want sound effects on, just type down there sound effects. If you want sound effects on. That's all you have to do. One comment saying sound effects equals me turning sound effects back on. Please let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Goodbye.